Hi guys! Samahan niyo ako today na kumuha ng passport ID para sa aking 1-year-old son who is considered to be a minor. So for a 7-year-old below, hindi na po kailangan ng online appointment. Need lang po agahan kasi paghapon na hindi na kayo ma-accommodate. So here are the requirements po. So PSA, valid ID, application form, and then the payment. So yung binayaran ko po is 1,200 via express or yung rush. Pero pag hindi po rush, probably mga 1,050. So since we are from Northern Leyte, sa Robinson's Place, Abukay, Tacloban City branch po kami kumuha ng passport at nag-apply. So ang ikanaganda po ng minor is wala na nga kayong online appointment, nasa priority lane pa kayo together with DWD, senior, and pregnant. Yung passport application po has 5 steps. So the first step po is hiningi lahat ng requirements. And then the second step is verify yung information, lahat ng requirements. And then, in my case, yung anak ko, tinanong niya, who's your mom? And then, to point out your mom. In my case, for my 1-year-old son, hindi po siya nag-respond. So, nonchalant yung anak ko. So, nag-proceed na po kami to the third step, which is yung payment. So, ang binayaran ko po is 1,200. So, rush na po yun. And then, on the fourth step, doon na po yung pinicturean yung anak ko. And then, you verify, kinonfirm yung information kung tama ba or mali because ipiprint na po yun. So, the last step po is yung releasing. So, yung releasing po is not same day. So, in my case, nag-apply po ako today, April 15, and makukuha ko siya by April 24. So, bale, parang 7 working days po siya. And papipiliin po kayo if pick up or via delivery. So, pinili ko po yung pick up. So, after po, kumain lang po kami and then we changed the diaper and then we decided to go home. So, that's it for today po. I hope nakatulong. Thank you for watching.